make everyday life a little bit easier, here's what you do.
Streak 3 mirrors. Just dip a tea bag in some water and then use it to clean your mirrors. Check this out. Crystal clear.
If you want to make anything stainless steel shine, just sprinkle some baking soda on a half a lime like this. And check this out.
Beautiful.
Wrinkly shirt,
Throw it in the dryer. 1 ice cube for 1 minute.
wrinkles gone. If your shoes smell, just put a tea bag in each. Overnight, the odor will be gone. You put a few drops of nail polish remover on a cotton pad.
Bring out the whites in your shoes.
Carpet stains. Just sprinkle some salt on it, baking soda, a little bit of water, rub it in, and watch the magic happen. Unshrink clothes. Hot water in a bucket. Add about a half a cup of the conditioner you use for your hair. Mix it up, let your clothes soak in there for 30 minutes. Take it out, remove the excess water. Let it dry. Boom, I can fit it now. Foggy glasses, we wear masks. Wipe it with shaving cream and done. Pots and pans. Just add a lemon, baking soda, and vinegar. Bring it to boil, and everything should come right off. Wooden cutting board stains, add salt and scrub it with a half a lemon. Plastic cutting boards, baking soda, vinegar, and scrub with a lemon. When you measure out honey, syrup, or any other sticky stuff, don't do this. Spray with cooking spray first, and everything comes right off. Same thing when you grate cheese. The cheese doesn't get stuck in the grater. Descaling a kettle, just add vinegar, bring it to boil, let it sit for 1 hour, and boom, brand new. Oven grease. Mix baking soda and vinegar until you have a paste. Use a sponge to apply this mixture on the grease. Add 1 cup of vinegar in the bowl. Hi, Bella. Put it inside the oven, put the oven on low heat for 1 hour, and goodbye to the grease. For clogged drains, just sprinkle some baking soda, add vinegar, let it sit for 5 minutes, and add hot water. Boom! Add vinegar in a bowl, a half a lemon, microwave it for 1 minute, open it up, and wipe it clean. The bottom of pots and pans. Sprinkle some baking soda on top. Put a piece of paper towel on top of it, add some vinegar, let it sit for 5-10 minutes, and boom! Brand new! When you're done sweeping the floor, spray the pile with some water, wipe with a paper towel, nothing gets left behind. Deep peel clothes, just grab a razor and shave it away. Quick and easy. Grapefruit and salt can get rid of stains in your bathroom, sink, bathtub, toilet, anywhere. Getting these stickers off of stuff, super annoying, right? Just add lemon juice, let it soak nice, and boom. If you spill wine on yourself, just heat up some milk in a pot or microwave. Soak the wine stain in the milk for about 10 minutes. Boom, stain gone. Refresh white towels, add a half a cup of baking soda to the detergent spot, and a half a cup of vinegar into the fabric softener spot. Run a full cycle and done. Brand new and white. These things, just add some foaming shaving cream and wipe it off. If you grab foaming shaving cream and apply it on a mattress stain, gently rub it in and the stain is gone. Carpet stains, same thing. Stain gone. Degrease and get your glass stovetop to shine. Wow. Oh, hello, meet my reflection. Defog and get those toothpaste spots off of your mirrors. That last piece of paper towel on the roll, don't throw it out. Use it for this. Crystal clear. Did the kids draw on the wall with crayons? No problem. Gone. Anything stainless steel. Super shiny and new. And you can use it to shave. What am I doing? If you hate cleaning, here's some hacks to make things easier. Water rings. Just put a damp cloth over them and then iron them out. Check this out. Boom, gone. Stovetop. Sprinkle some baking soda. Add some fresh lemon juice and watch it sizzle. Scrub and wipe it clean. Screens. Just dip a tea bag in water, rub it out on the screen, and then wipe it off with a coffee filter. Descaling shower head. Just pour some vinegar in a Ziploc bag, tie it around the shower head, and let it soak for an hour. You won't believe how much gunk will come out. Works on sink faucets too. Hard water stains on chrome surfaces. Soak a paper towel in vinegar, place it over the surface, let it sit for a little bit, and boom, brand new. Shower glass doors. Fill up a spray bottle with vinegar, spray the glass, let it sit for 10 minutes, throw on some baking soda, put some salt on a half a lemon like this, scrub the glass, and then wipe it off. Crystal clear. Oven racks. In a bowl, make a paste with baking soda, lemon juice, and vinegar. Tie it on a rack, let it sit for an hour, and everything comes right off. Olive oil stains on your clothes. Oops. Just put a little dish soap on a stain, rub it in, rinse with hot water, and done. Stain gone. Paint on leather, no problem. Just soak a paper towel in olive oil, apply it on the paint, keep it there for a little bit, and the paint should come right off. If you want to make anything stainless steel shine, just sprinkle some baking soda on half a lime like this. And check this out. Beautiful. Burn pot or pan. Just add 1 or 2 dryer sheets on top. Add some water, leave it for about 30 minutes. And then boom, check this out. No scrubbing. If your shoes smell, just put a tea bag in each. Overnight, the odor will be gone. Descaling shower heads. Just pour some vinegar in a Ziploc bag. Add it around the shower head and let it soak for an hour. You won't believe how much gunk will come out. Refresh white towels. Add a half a cup of baking soda to the detergent spot and a half a cup of vinegar into the fabric softener spot. Run a full cycle and done. Brand new and white. Wooden cutting board stains. Add salt and scrub it with a half a lemon. Left with those peels, you probably throw them out. Don't throw them out. Instead, what you want to do is slice them up. Put them in a spray bottle. Add a half a cup of white vinegar. A teaspoon of salt. A little bit of dish soap. And fill up the rest with water. Shake it up. And boom, homemade chemical-free citrusy cleaning spray. This thing works amazing and leaves your house smelling like limes. So don't throw out your peels. And don't buy those sprays that contain toxic chemicals. Just make your own. When you're done sweeping the floor, spray the pile with some water, wipe with a paper towel, and nothing gets left behind. To get your dishwasher nice and clean, just add 1 cup of vinegar inside the machine. Run a normal cycle and it'll be fresh and clean. Deep peel clothes. Just grab a razor and shave it away. Quick and easy. Grapefruit and salt can get rid of stains in your bathroom. Sink, bathtub, toilet, anywhere. Refresh white towels. Add a half a cup of baking soda to the detergent spot and a half a cup of vinegar into the fabric softener spot. Run a full cycle and done. Brand new and white. When you're done using a panini maker, unplug it. Add some vinegar or lemon juice. Put a wet paper towel on top. Press it down for a minute. Grab another paper towel and wipe it clean. These stains or any kind of stains on your carpet, just add some foaming shaving cream and wipe it off.
What's up, guys? Quick tip for your grill. It's summertime, so I enjoy grilling my food tremendously. But quite frankly, this grill brush does not do a good job of cleaning the grates. It's still very nasty. This is how you clean it fast. Half an onion, fork. Brush the grates with the onion, and then use your grill brush. To show you the difference, I did a little section. This is before, and this is after. Boom. So don't use those chemical sprays to clean your grill. Do it the natural way.
Do you know if you grab a half a lime and sprinkle some baking soda on it, you can use it to clean and make anything stainless steel shine again. Check this out. Boom! Brand new. Did you know? Wait, Bella.
What?
What are you doing? Don't do that. Instead, what you want to do? Put some baking soda in a cup, then put your makeup brush in it, coat it in the baking soda, then add some vinegar, and watch it sizzle the bacteria away. Let it soak in there for about 5 minutes. Then grab a half a lemon and rub the brush against the lemon like this, like you're painting on a lemon. Then give it a quick rinse. Wrap it in a piece of paper towel. Grab a coat hanger. Grab the brush. Grab a hair tie. Wrap it around the brush on the coat hanger. Then hang it up somewhere. And let it dry. Bella, here you go. Pick one. Boom. Brand new, clean. You don't need to buy those makeup brush cleaners that contain toxic chemicals. Ring. Are you going to be doing this from now on?
Yeah, sure. You will.